No, I'm going to do 1440p. I can't handle it. Sorry, guys, I tried. All right, so I'm just doing, the only thing I'm doing different is I'm doing 7.6 on the 2 special cores, the good cores. So the run should go up just a little bit, just a taste. Just slightly improve. All right, if it's going to work, this is where it's going to work. Just going to let this keep burning off. I think we're okay, guys. I think we're okay. Two threads. So my score should go up just a little bit. I can't remember what my score was at before, but I think we're going to go up just a touch. I think we got this, though. I think we got this, guys. I'm excited. 11311. No, for the good one. For the good run. My last run was at a core. I think it was 1.2 something. Shit, I can't remember. I can't go back in time and find it either. 12253. We are getting closer, man. We're 400 points off. So let's go. Put this over here. Let's get our picture. Good. Get our picture. Sure we got enough juice to take our picture. Save screenshot. All right, cool. Let's double check this really quick. This is our last one, 12110. All right, so that was the last good one. This one was 12253. So we've actually went up 150 points from that one, basically. Good, good, good. All right, close Windows. Let's try. Now we're going to start doing some fancy stuff here.